Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of our IT support agent, your virtual assistant for resolving your everyday IT issues with ease. This is a smart assistant that help you with the password resets issues, VPN connectivity issues, laptop replacement issues, system access problems and much more. Just tell this agent what you need help with and it will help you step by step or escalate any issue to the IT team if needed. So let's get started. So firstly, I'll tell you what knowledge that we have provided to this agent. So we have provided the IT support guidelines to this agent, the policy IT policy guide to this agent, any of the process in SAP that financial how to create a financial report, how to create a purchase request for any transaction, and we do have the ticket status for some of the ticketing tools. uh, that's how you can do this. We even integrated fresh desk for this particular agent where you can raise the queries and ticket will be raised directly to the fresh desk or directly to the mail as well. So let's just show you how this agent works. So let me just tell them that just I want to raise a request. So my laptop is not working, what should I do? So I have asked a very generic thing. So the agent will require more details like whether it's a performing issue or hardware failures. So I just type them that my screen is not working. So I didn't mention that it's a hardware issue, but the agent has analyzed and detected that this is a hardware issue. So they need a laptop serial number and employee ID for this. My laptop serial number is 123456 and employee ID is EMP321. So as you can see, I have made a typo mistake here, but our agents are very intelligent to understand all of it. So now it has used the raising tool to create a request for this. So if I go to the fresh disk again, so my laptop replacement is here. The ticket has been generated. uh, if I'll go to the email as well, I have the email for this. As you can see, it has drafted the email as well. So that's how it can do the work in real time. Now let's go and let's just fetch any of the existing tickets. um, I have raised a ticket to the IT. Can you tell me the current status of it? So, so now it need either name or employee ID to fetch. So let's say I just tell them my first name only, right? I'm not telling them my exact full name. So on basis of the first name only, it is able to give me my ticket details, right? uh, who What's the issue, who's working, what's the current process. You can even see the citations as well, that that reporter was Mariam, uh, right? Now let's say I want to understand something from the policy. So can I want to work remotely, are there any policy that I need to follow? So now it is using the IT policy knowledge base search and it is telling me the remote working VPN and VPN policy. If you can see the citation as well, you can even see which chunk it has taken to answer this query, right? Now let's say I need an access of Tableau. How to do this? So let's say I need access to Tableau. Tell me how to do this. So now, as all access are as per the designation, so I'll tell them that I'm a senior analyst. So I tell them my designation, so on basis of it, it will check whether I can get Tableau access or not. I'm eligible for Tableau access. How they have figured out that for senior analyst what access I can take, I can see directly here, right? Now uh, now to proceed to ensure get, I have to get my request approved by the manager, right? So let's say I'm taking a sample Jira ticket, uh, just a sample one. So um, this is this request is approved by my manager. This is the Jira ticket. So now it is actually, please up. So now it has gone to, please go ahead. So so now it is raising a ticket here. So it has submitted my request. Now it is raising a ticket for me. So here I can, if I can see the tickets again, this is the ticket for Tableau access request. This is the ticket that I mentioned. uh, now the IT person can review this and tell them. I can even get the email as well. I can even get the email of the same version, right? Now we, this entire flow can be done on the voice as well. You can have the voice in multiple accents as well, either in US English or Arabic English or any of the local accent as well. So for this case, just to showcase how accents works, we have taken the Arabic accent. So let's just test this one.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
Um, I want to change the password of my laptop. Can you help me with this?
Sure. Which operating system is your laptop using? Is it Windows, Mac, or something else?
It's a MacBook.
Correct. If you remember your current password, you can follow the. It seems you might need to reset your password. Do you remember your current password,
Ye-
or would you need assistance with
no,
the
I
account?
remember. I do remember my current password.
That's correct. Here are the steps to change your password on a MacBook. 1. Click on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. 2. Select System Preferences. 3. Click on Users Workgroups.
Yeah,
4.
actually, this helps. I got your what you are saying, and this will help me to change my password. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. Just to confirm, was your issue resolved? If so, I will send a success email.
Yes, my issue is resolved now.
I'm working on your request. Glad to hear that. I've sent the success email. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to reach out.
So that's how you can have this conversation in voice as well. You can even get the success mails for this, as password change issue is resolved now. This is the particular user just a template, so that you can track how user are interacting with the interface as well, right? Now, if you want as an extended capability, we have introduced LinkedIn API to fetch the data from any of the profile. So let's say this is the profile of mine, right? I have to just take the URL of it. Um, as in I want to fetch a LinkedIn profile. So it will ask them to provide a LinkedIn URL. So I just provided the URL to this. Now it is actually using the LinkedIn profile details tool, which has the LinkedIn tool step to get this. So let me just show you what details are there. My name, uh, uh, where I'm working at SimplAI. I have 500 plus connections, a summary about me. I've worked at two different companies, my education qualification and all these detail are being taken in a structured format by the tool itself, and it will provide it to you in a readable format. And what is important for any of the user to understand, okay, these are the crucial key points of any of the LinkedIn profile. So that's how you can fetch all the details from any of the external systems as well. So as you can see, it has taken my name, all the details, as I've worked in different companies. So date, details, duration, key achievements in the company, my skills and expertise, my languages I know. All of this are being uh, given by the tool itself, or you can have the in the structured format as well. So that's how our IT support agent has been powered. So this as an extended capability, this agent can be powered to the call as well, in inbound outbound call, both ways. So the call will be done as a voice mode only. The user can take the help from this agent, get their issue resolved, and the as the client side, you can get the analytics dashboard as well, just to show you how a sample analytics dashboard of call will look like. You have the call IDs, you can have the status, you can even have the recordings of the call, what duration of the call it is taking, what's the transcription of it, what the summary of the call, sentiment of the call, and you can have different kind of uh, analytics as well, sentiment, what user are usually asking, so that you can train the agent accordingly, and you can make it more engaging, and you can add as much as capability that the user wants. So that's how you can take the help of this IT support agent into your organization to resolve all your employees day to day IT issues and make them more productive. If you want to know more about this, please contact us. Please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much for watching.